Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a simple yet colorful square which has been worked strategically by placing different height stitches in the same row. So we have used trebles, doubles and single crochets to make this pattern look like this, and this sort of combination we can devise on our own too and work. This is the simplest which I could show cause to you in this video. I have taken 31 stitches, that is 32 chains in 31 stitches, and I have worked 10, 10 and 11. So let's go into the video without further delay. Chain 32, now one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Try to work in the back bump, and one single crochet each in each of the next 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now one double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So I have placed my double crochets, 10 double crochets. Now one treble each in each of the next 11, that is the last 11 stitches, 11 chains. So complete trebles till the end. So we completed row 1. Now chain 4 considered as one treble. Else what you can do is turn, make a single crochet, pull up the loop and make a double crochet on top of this single crochet. This amounts to the height of a treble. Now one treble in each of the next 9 stitches. So complete the trebles. I shall complete and get back. Now place one double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. Now one single crochet in each of the last 11 stitches. One single crochet. Now the last stitch did not complete, but complete by adding the second color. Now repeat row 2. So what we do is either chain 4 and begin, or make a single crochet and pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet and make not into these both loops but insert a hook to the loop before the last loop. Pick up the yarn, pull through and pull through. Now one treble in each of the next 9 stitches. So we are repeating row 2. So totally we'll have 10 trebles from the beginning. I've placed the trebles. Now one double in each of the next 10 stitches. So one double in each of the next 10, complete and get back. Place one single crochet in the last 11 stitches, one each. Complete and get back. So at the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. One single crochet each in each of the first 10 stitches and one double in each of the next 10 stitches and one treble in each of the last 11 stitches. So 10 SC, 10 double, 11 trebles. Complete the row and get back. So next row 5 is same as row 2. Repeat row 2 stitches as per the instructions for row 2 that we did. So turn a single crochet and on top of the single crochet a double crochet, then one treble in each of the next 9 stitches, one double in each of the next 10 stitches and one single crochet in each of the last 11 stitches. So complete row 5. I shall complete and get back. At the end of the row 5, change to color C. Fasten off color B. Again repeat row 2 for working row 6. So make a single crochet or chain 4 and turn. A double crochet, so I have pulled it too tight. It doesn't matter. One treble in each of the next 9 stitches, one double in each of the next 10, one SC in each of the last 11. That is the count here. At the end of row 6, we're going to change color back to color A. So 10 trebles, 10 doubles and 11 single crochets. So complete the row. I shall meet you at the end of this row. So 10 trebles, 10 doubles, 11 single crochets. For row 6, row 7, change to color A. We have completed row 6 now. Just ensure that it doesn't unravel. That's it. Turn your work, and again we're going to repeat row 2 for this. So maximum we'll be working with the instructions as per row 2. So you can chain 4 and begin, or make a stacked single crochet. So I'll show you stacked single crochet. We have done the height of a single crochet. Second, almost the height of a double, and a treble. This is stacked way of starting the treble, and one treble each in each of the next 9, one double in each of the next 10, and one single crochet in each of the last 11 stitches. So continue, complete row 6, and again we'll be changing back to color B for the next few rows. At the end of this row 7, for row 8, change to color B. Turn and repeat row 2 again. So we begin with our treble. Stacked single crochets, we make one over the other single crochet, and stacked single crochet 2 times to get the height of a treble. Then one treble in each of the next 9, so totally 10 trebles to begin with, then next 10 doubles and 11 single crochets. I shall meet you at the end of row 8. 10 trebles, 10 doubles and 11 singles. So completed row 8 here. For row 9 onwards, please note down the instructions and follow these instructions. Just pause your video, note down. So row 9 is same as row 4 with same color B yarn. Row 10 again, repeat row 2. Row 11 change to color A, repeat to row 2. Row 12 same as row 4, 13 same as row 2. Again for 14 change color to C, repeat row 2. 15 change color to B, repeat row 2. 16 again with the same B color, repeat row 2. 17 one single crochet in each of the stitches all across and fasten off. So I shall complete and get back. Completed row 17, and this is how this strategic square looks. Hope you like this video, and you can have different combination of counts as per your wish and create any pattern that you like. This is the simplest of simple. I just showcased you, and I used for chains I used 5 mm clover hook, and for the main work I have used my 4.5 mm clover hook. Hope you like this video, friends. If you happen to be the first time viewer of a channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Do like and share our videos too. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.